Hey guys, today we're drawing a Christmas present. And tell me what present you got from your grandma, your mom or dad. And it's almost in Christmas. Let's get started with our Christmas present. Let's start now. Let's start with making a rectangle. I'm gonna make a line going up. It's a long L shape, super long, just like that. And I'm gonna make another L shape to connect it. That's an easy way how to make a rectangle. See that? We have a rectangle now. Let's make a square underneath, okay? I'm gonna try to make it the same length from the start. Oops, I made it kind of rough. That's okay because I made the line right there. Oh, alrighty. You can make this into side block. Just like that. Now I have to connect it. You can it any color you like. I'm coloring it blue, red, and green. Just like that. Make a straight line coming just right down. Another straight line for the ribbon. Okay. We connect them just like that. Now, from the top, like that. Now we're big pieces coming out of here. I made them too big. Like that, a half U shape or a circle, so it looks pretty. You make some wrinkle right here. I make some wrinkles, then we do the same thing on the other side. That's kind of looking like a ribbon. Even a Christmas present. Now you can flip it. I'm gonna use red for this piece. It looks like it's purple and red, but I want it to be blue and red. I'm to color some stripes like that. Stripes. Some more stripes. Going up. Ooh, those ones look pretty. Just like that. And that's our Christmas present. And hope you enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe my channel if you're watching for the first time. Bye. I think that's it. Please like and subscribe my channel if you're watching my channel for the first time. Bye.